The limbic system, a complex set of structures in the brain, plays a critical role in the body's fight, flight, or freeze response. This article explores the limbic system's involvement in these responses, citing notable researchers, and provides detailed examples. It includes the specific body language and physical changes associated with each response. Fight response, role of the limbic system. The amygdala, a key component of the limbic system, detects threats and triggers the fight response. Upon perceiving a threat, it sends signals to the hypothalamus, which activates the sympathetic nervous system, SNS. Bodily responses and body language, muscle tension. Muscles, especially in the arms and legs, become tense and primed for action. Facial expressions, the face may exhibit anger or determination, often with narrowed eyes and clenched jaws. Posture, the body adopts an aggressive stance, with shoulders widened and arms slightly raised, ready to defend or attack. Researchers and examples, Walter Cannon. He was the first to describe the fight or flight response. In a fight situation, like confronting an intruder, the body prepares for physical confrontation. Flight response, role of the limbic system. The same initial process as the fight response applies here, with the amygdala and hypothalamus playing key roles. The SNS prepares the body for rapid retreat. Bodily responses and body language, increased heart rate and breathing. To supply muscles with more oxygen. Posture, the body leans forward, ready for rapid movement. Legs are prepared to run. Facial expressions, eyes widen to take in more visual information, and the face may display fear or anxiety. Researchers and examples, Hans Selye. Known for his research on stress, his work helps in understanding the physiological changes in the flight response. An example is a person running away from a fire. Freeze response, role of the limbic system. The freeze response is more complex and involves the parasympathetic nervous system. It's often associated with the dorsal vagal complex, as described in Stephen Porges' polyvagal theory. Bodily responses and body language, muscle immobilization. The body may feel heavy, muscles are tight yet not mobilized for action. Decreased heart rate and breathing, opposite to the fight or flight response, preparing the body to conserve energy. Posture and facial expressions, the body may collapse slightly, and facial expressions often blank, reflecting a state of detachment or disassociation. Researchers and examples, Stephen Porges. His polyvagal theory explains the freeze response as a defense mechanism. An example is a person becoming immobile during a traumatic event like a robbery. Conclusion, the limbic system's orchestration of the fight, flight, or freeze responses showcases the brain's intricate involvement. Each response, fight, flight, or freeze, involves a unique set of bodily reactions and body language cues. This understanding not only provides insights into human behavior under stress but also has profound implications for addressing trauma and stress-related disorders.